Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax here in Pompano Beach, Florida. We're your Boston Whaler dealer here in South Florida, and today we're going to do a nice quick walkthrough of this gorgeous new 2025 28 Vantage dual console. Super popular model in the lineup of Vantage and dual consoles. This is such a fast growing market. Makes everybody happy. Lots of shade, lots of protection. You can fish it, cruise it, do all your water sports. It's just a really nice setup. We bring it in with a pair of twin 300 Mercury V8s with joystick piloting. Pushes it along so nicely. Mid-50s boat for speed. Underwater lights on this one. Nice transom mount transducer. Nice big swim platform in the back here, so you can easily get around your motors. Shore power connection on this specific one. Electric sure shade in the hardtop. There's even a wakeboard attachment on there, so you can do your water sports. Great seating everywhere. Standard live well in the back port corner. Standard dive door, which swings in, makes it easy to get in and out of the boat on a floating dock or when you're swimming. Expansive cockpit. Again, lots of shade. The hardtop is huge. And they actually color matched it underneath here too as well to match the gel coat on the sides. Looking back here, got nice fish boxes in the floor. Easy location for your battery switches there. You have a pull-out bench seat here when you're entertaining. Comes up nice and easy. You fold it back up if you're fishing or diving. We brought this one in with a refrigerator and an electric grill. As easy as that. It works off an inverter if you're offshore or anchored out somewhere, or shore power if you're at the dock. This is a multi-position port side seat here that can become a lounger, can be a chaise lounge. Lots of nice options there. Beautiful captain's chair, joystick piloting with built-in skyhook and autopilot, DTS controls, digital throttle and shift. Nice 12-inch Simrad, nice acrylic dash, VHF radio, awesome JL audio system. Really cool boat. And this is what makes the ladies and the kids happy. A real vacuum flush toilet, sink in here you can change, get out of the weather. It's a yacht toilet in a 28-footer. I love it. Look at how beefy the powder-coated extruded windshield frame is on this. It's just so heavy duty. Nothing rattles or shakes on these. Got nice storage here behind the console. You have a block-off door. Awesome seating up front here with armrests, stereo speakers, drink holders in the right place, USB chargers. Concealed windlass is underneath here. It's nice. You still have a non-skid area here where you can, work your anchor or board the boat if you have to from here. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. This is a 2025 Boston Whaler 28 Vantage available. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Love to hear from you, and thanks for watching. Take care.